Hello everyone! So excited. I have been waiting for this kit to show up. Everyone's losing their mind over it. This is the, if you didn't see the title of the video, the Simon Says Stamp December card kit. And I am, just from the images I saw online, I'm very excited. I'm so excited. So much. There's more in there. I want to make sure I got it all. I'm really excited. I think this kit is adorable. I'm all about like the Christmas thing, everything. Okay, so this is the Gnome for the holidays. Again, anyone who knows me knows I love my puns. Any sort of punny sentiment, I'm like all over that. So, of course, with this kit is the stamp set. Great big 6x8 stamp set. There is a coordinating die set that was released for this. I actually ordered it. I knew the kit was coming, but then I placed another order and I ordered the die set because I was like, I need to own it. I need to have the die set. So I will link to that because that is separate because die sets for large stamp sets, etc. So yeah, Gnome for the holiday stamp set. What I love is you got your cute little images, which I like how just quirky and whimsical they are, but you also got some cute little snowflakes, and then the sentiments especially because there's the wafer die, but there's also the original Gnome wafer die that doesn't come in the kit, it's separate. Which, mine. So, this is the original Gnome that was released. I think it was part of, was it Stamptember? I can't remember. It was released. It was super, super popular. Like insanely popular. It sold out so many times. I think right now it's on reserve. I already did a video like just using this guy. So that's the original Gnome. You've got the base and die. So then with the kit, you get this little Gnome. It's like his little brother. So you can see this is the original size. This is the one that comes in the kit. So just a little bit smaller, kind of similar idea. So what I love is like, you know, you can use them both together, but he's also just really, really cute just on his own. So yeah, you get this die set in the kit. Same idea, like you have the outline and then you have the pieces to layer him. So love that. But then the thing I love also is just having the sentiments to go with it. You know? So yeah, you've got basically, you know, Christmas. I love you, Gnome, no matter what. Gnome better holiday. I'll be Gnome for Christmas. Gnome, sweet Gnome, wishing you a very happy Christmas. No place like Gnome, you know. Just cute. Absolutely cute. I love it. And then again, so you can use the stamped images or you can use the die cut. In this kit, you also get a stencil, which I think is really fun. Yeah, full size 6x6 stencil. And that's how I store my stencils. I just cut the top off. I keep all the packaging. It just makes it easier. But there's the stencil. So you can build a little house, you know, for your scenes. You've got the house base, the doors and windows, a little chimney, and then some little greenery and snowflakes and, you know, tree. Those could be little ornaments if you want, or a little door handle. Like, really fun little stencil that comes with this kit. So there's that. So you got the stamp set, wafer die, you get a stencil, you get a blending brush, which is super awesome. This is like my favorite size of blending brush. So you can use that with the stencil if you want. So love. If you have never tried these blending brushes and you're part of the kit subscription or you get this kit, then you get to try one and see what the big fuss has been about and how amazing these are. I can never have too many. I love having like a billion of them. Candy, of course. You also get some mini action wobbles, which also just makes me happy. I love these. They're perfect for adding. You can either use them with this little dude, so you can pop up with the action wobble and he'll move, or these will fit behind the little characters as well, so they can move on your cards, and they go flat. If you've never used action wobbles before, this will give you a chance to kind of try them out. But yeah, they stick out like that, So then you've got them, you know, adhered to your card, adhered to your image, and then they'll, you know, bounce around. But the great thing about them is they go completely flat. So it won't create a whole bunch of bulk on your cards. So, love. So you get action wobbles. And then there are pattern paper. This is PhotoPlay, KRINGLE and Co. It's called 6x6 pattern paper. So very red, gray, black theme, which I like, you know. I haven't done color combos like this yet this year. Like the buffalo plaid. Oh, there's something about that that just, I really like this pattern paper. This is really nice. I love the buffalo plaid with the gray instead of black. Totally different look to it. Love it. So yeah, really cute paper. This is really nice paper. Ooh, black and gray too. Oh. See what I mean? Like, I love it. Absolutely love it. This pattern paper is gorgeous. Oh, that's so nice. So you get pattern paper. You get a 6x6 sheet of, this is Cartabella Light Silver Shimmer cardstock. And it, I don't know if I can really, I think you can kind of see that shimmer. It's pretty. Really pretty. So you get shimmer. You get envelopes. So you got Simon's A2 envelopes. We've got Slate, Schoolhouse Red, and White. All of these envelopes are self-adhesive, which just makes life more convenient. I like. They're really nice. So you get envelopes, and then you get cardstock, of course. So we've got Schoolhouse Red, Black, and then Simon's White 120-pound cardstock, which is what I use for all my card bases. Love it. So that is the kit. Of course, obviously, I'm super excited. I think it's just absolutely fabulous. I will link to the kit. I'll link to the subscription. I'll link to the frequently asked questions. Everything that is available individually. I'll also throw in a link to that since I showed it. I always have all that info in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. On my blog, I have like picture links of everything just to make it easier to like navigate. So I will have all those links below if you guys want to check it out. And then of course I will have videos coming using all of these goodies, and hopefully the wafer dies get here. They should get here soon because this kit's been out for a little bit. I ordered it several days ago and it's shipped out, all that stuff, all the stuff I'd ordered. So I will be back, of course, with cards and videos and all that stuff. Alrighty, friends. So my order showed up with the wafer die set for the Gnome for the holidays stamp set. I ordered the combo with the stamp set, even though I have the set that came in the kit, but I'll get to this in a second. So there's the coordinating die set that is not part of the kit. It's a completely separate purchase. Tons of people, me being one of them, really like having coordinating wafer dies, well, for everything, you know, but especially big sets like this. And I also was really liked how like this, there's the coordinating dies for like the snowflakes and the trees, and they literally, you know, they're not just like a round die or like it actually cuts out like around all the little stick figure lines. So for me, I was like, yes, but especially for the characters. These are simple enough images for those that don't want the wafer dies, etc. Like you can just hand trim them so you can pop them up, etc. I'm just lazy. And if I can avoid fussy cutting at all costs, I will. So the reason though why I ordered the combo is I'm keeping the wafer die set, but I was like, ooh, I have this big stamp set. I also ordered the Foodie Friends stamp set. There's a stamp and the coordinating dies. Simon had like a little deal on them and I was like, ooh. So I threw those in my cart because I was going to give. So I have the stamp set, this stamp set with coordinating dies. I also have a few extras. I have this enamel pin from Simon. This is the Live by Faith, Not by Sight pin. And then I have the Ho Ho Deer Circle wafer die. I also have the Christmas foliage that was part of the last release, as well as a Simon Says Stamp pen. It's a brand new pen. That was also like a little dealy they had going on, and I have like several of them now because I order a lot. And Simon had sent like 1 or 2 to me. So I thought this would make a nice little giveaway for one of you guys. Like, just like I've said, I like to be able to try and pay it forward a little bit as often as I can. Doing these little giveaways is just something to really brighten someone's day. Like I do with my giveaways, it will be in the blog post. So that will be the very first link directly below the video. And then in the blog post at the end, there'll be just a little Rafflecopter widget. You can just follow the little steps to enter your info. That's just the easiest way to be able to just draw a random winner and contact them, and then I'll mail out this package. I won't keep this giveaway open very long because I'd like to get it mailed out, since there's obviously like Christmas theme things. So I'm only going to have this open like over the weekend basically. I'm hoping to get this uploaded ASAP, and then that way I can hopefully get it shipped out really quickly to the winner. Like I already mentioned in the first part of the video, I will have all the links to everything. I'll link to the individual, like the wafer dies, and I'll link to this stuff too if people are curious. Foodie Friends set is still available. I don't think they even do the dies anymore. I think that's why they put them on sale. But I'll have links to all the things, and then all the info in my blog post. I'll have videos coming soon using the like kit and all this stuff. Wanted to get this out of the way first, so hand waving, warning, trigger warning. Anyway, thank you. Thanks to you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing, all of that. For those that are curious, because I've been getting questions lately, I also do link to my social media accounts. They're in the description box as well. You just have to scroll down, because I have, you know, all the info. I linked all the products. I have, you know, my disclaimers and links to my social media, all that. Like, all that info is in the description box below all my videos, so that you guys can, you know, find everything. And then, yeah, I'll be back with cards, all that good stuff. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all very soon in another video.